In this video, we are going to discuss about equivalence of formulas or logical equivalence using truth tables. We can say that two propositions are equal if their truth tables are same. Let us take this example. Here, let us assume that this proposition is A, this proposition is B. So A means it is in the left hand side, B means it is in the right hand side. Two propositions A and B are said to be logical equivalent when the truth tables of A and B are equal. That is, after calculating the truth table, if the final column in the truth tables of A and B are equal, then it is called as, then those two propositions are called as logical equivalent. Okay, just this is left hand side, P implies Q implies R. After calculating the truth table, it may contain some columns, it may contain some truth values. Those may be either true or false. Let us assume that the result of P implies Q implies R is true, true, false, false. Let us assume that after calculating this one also, we got the truth values as true, true, false, false. Now LHS is equal to the RHS. So we can say that these two propositions are equal. Okay. So this is about what is equivalence of formulas. So when we can say two propositions are equivalent, this formula means statement formula. Here this is a statement formula, negation PRQ. This is a statement formula or logical equivalence using truth tables. Here we can prove whether two propositions are equal or not using the truth table, as well as we have one more approach is there using inference rules that we will see in the upcoming videos. So here the point is two propositions A and B are here A means some compound proposition. Why? Because it contains some connectives also. Okay, two propositions A and B are said to be logically equivalent, if the truth values, so truth value means it may be either true or false. If the truth values of A is equal to truth value of B for all possible 2 power n inputs. So if we consider this problem, here we have two propositions are there. So 2 power 2. So the possible combinations are 4. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. If we have only one proposition, then the possible combination is 2 power 1, 2 combinations. If there are 3 inputs, PQR, if there are 3 propositions, then the possible combinations are 2 power 3, that is 8. So two propositions A and B are said to be logical equivalent if the truth values of A is equal to truth values of B for all the possible 2 power inputs. So that means we can say that two propositions are logically equivalent if the final columns in the truth table of A and B are equivalent. Okay. Now let's see how we can denote this equivalent. We can denote the equivalent using two symbols. The first symbol is using 3 horizontal lines. So by using these 3 horizontal lines, we can represent equivalent, or we can use biconditional operator. So 2 horizontal lines, left angular bracket, right angular bracket. So we can use these two symbols in order to represent equivalent. Okay. Now let us solve these 3 examples. So we have to determine whether these 3 problems, whether they are logically equivalent or not. Let us see the first problem, example 1. P implies Q logically equivalent to negation P R Q. So we have to show that P implies Q preposition is logically equivalent to negation P RQ. Okay, so this symbol is called as what? Equivalent symbol. So this is nothing but LHS, this is nothing but RHS. After calculating the truth table, if LHS column is same as the RHS column, then we can say that those two prepositions are logically equivalent. Here, how many prepositions are there? We have only two prepositions, P and Q. So the number of possible inputs are 2 power n, that is 2. 2 power 2 means what? 4. So 4 possible combinations are possible. So PQ. So next we have to calculate P implies Q. Next let us calculate negation P. Next to calculate negation P RQ. Negation P RQ. So the possible values are true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. So what is P implies Q? When both prepositions are true and false, then the result is false. Otherwise, the result is true. So true, false means false. In remaining 3 cases, the result is true only. Next, we need to calculate negation P. Negation P means what? We have to invert B. So true, true, true is inverted to false. True means false, false. So false means true, false means true. Next, we have to calculate negation P RQ. So second column and on the fourth column, we need to perform R operation. We know what is R. When both prepositions are false, the result is false. Otherwise, the result is true. So true, false means true. False, false means false. True, true means true. False, true means true. P implies Q. So this is the left hand side. Negation P RQ. This is the right hand side. If we observe these two columns, true, false, true, true. True, false, true, true. So here left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Why? Because the truth values of the left hand side is equal to the truth value of the right hand side. So we can say that these two prepositions are logically equivalent. Okay. Let us solve the second problem. Let us solve the second problem. So what is the second problem? P RQ and negation P logically equivalent to negation P and Q. Okay. So first here we have only two prepositions are there. So the possible combinations are 2 power 2. So that is nothing but 4. So the possible combinations are true, 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 false, false, true, and false, false. So what is the left hand side? P RQ and negation P. So first to calculate P RQ. So what is P RQ? If both prepositions are false, the result is false. Otherwise, the result is true. Next, we have to perform AND operation on these two. So we need to calculate negation P. So how to calculate negation P? So negate P values. True means false. True means false. False means true. False means true. Next, we have to perform AND operation. AND operation on PRQ and negation P. So we need to perform AND operation. So what is AND? When both prepositions are true, the result is true. Otherwise, the result is false. So true, false means false. True, false means false. True, true means true. False, true means false. Okay. So this is nothing but LHS. So this is nothing but LHS. So LHS is calculated. Now we have to determine the RHS. What is RHS? Negation P and Q. Negation P and Q. So already negation P is calculated. Next we have to perform AND operation with the Q. So what? Second column and fourth column. On second and fourth column, perform the AND operation. True, false means false. False, false means false. True, true means on first, second column and the fourth column. Negation Q and negation P and Q. So true, true means true. False, false means false. So this is nothing but RHS. So if we observe the third column, LHS and the RHS, false, false, true, false, 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 true, false. So we can say that this problem is also logically equivalent. These two prepositions are logically equivalent. Okay. Now let us solve the last problem. Prove that. So we have to prove that P biconditional Q. P biconditional Q. P biconditional Q is logically equivalent to P implies Q and Q implies P is logically equivalent to negation P or Q and negation Q or negation P. So we have to prove that P implies Q is similar to this truth table, as well as this is also similar to this table. Okay, so P double implies Q as well as this proposition and this proposition need to produce all the values. So if these three propositions produces same value, then we can say that those three are logically equivalent. Okay, so here we have only two propositions are there. So the possible combinations are 2 power 2 combinations. So true true, true false, false true, false false. So first to calculate B biconditional Q. So we know what is biconditional. If both propositions contain same truth value, then the result is true, otherwise the result is false. So true true, same value, so the result is true. False false, same value, so the result is true. True false, different values false. False true, different values false. Okay, we have to prove that this is logically equivalent to P implies Q and Q implies P. So first let us calculate P implies Q. P implies Q. So P implies means what? If both propositions are true false, the result is false, otherwise the result is true. So true false means false, true true true, false true true, false false true. Next to calculate Q implies P. Q implies P. So if Q is true and P is false, the result is false. In remaining three cases, the result is true. If you observe here the Q is true, P is false, so the result is false. In remaining three cases, true true means true, false true means true, false false means true. So true true true. Okay, next we have to perform the AND operation. Let us assume that this is X, this is Y. So we need to perform AND operation, X and Y, X and Y, X and Y. So we have to perform AND operation. True true means true, false true means false, true false means false, true true means, what is true true? True true means true. If we observe P biconditional Q column and P implies Q and Q implies P, what is the result? True false false true, true false false true. So we can say that these two propositions are logically equivalent. Now we have to prove that this proposition is logically equivalent to this proposition. So here we need to compute negation P. So what is negation P? True true, false false. So false false, true true, true true, false false. So false false, true true. So already we have Q is there. So let us calculate this one, negation P or Q. Here we have negation P, here we have Q. So true false means true, false false means false, false, true true means true, false true means true, false true means true. Okay, so negation P or Q is over. Next we need to calculate negation Q, negation Q. So true false, true false. So true false means false true, false true. Next we have to perform OR operation, negation Q or P, negation Q or P. So this is negation Q, this is negation Q, this is P. Perform the OR operation. True false means true, true true means true, false false means false, false true means true. Let us assume that this is A, this is B. So we have to perform AND operation, negation P or Q, this is negation Q or P. Next to perform the AND operation, A and B, A and B. This is negation P or Q, this is negation Q or P. So true true means true, false true means false, true false means false, true true means true. If we observe this column, true false true true, true false true true, P implies Q and Q implies P, result is true false true true. Whereas negation P or Q and negation Q or P, result is also true false false true. So we can say that these two are also logically equivalent. So in this way we can solve any problem very easily in order to check whether two compound propositions, two propositions are logically equivalent or not.